that's wet. Oh. Yes, I am going out in this miserable weather. Well, some people will say miserable. I actually like it. Heading off down to Strathpine to the shopping centre to get a few supplies for tonight. Well, I managed to get into Strathpine alive. There's some nutcases on the road as usual. It's Christmas, last minute shopping, and it's raining. So yeah, there's a lot of idiots on the road. Okay, what are the chances of finding a park on Christmas Eve? Well, about to find out. But I think I can do pretty well actually. Go to my usual spot. Not block the driveway like that dickhead down there. Hey, who wants a free umbrella? Well, shopping for food and stuff, and I'm in the cutlery aisle and I saw this. A rolling pin. A $6 rolling pin. And all I can think is possible knife handle material. Ah, the life of a knife maker. Yep, it's crazy in here at the moment. Well, that was interesting. Not something I want to do every day. As usual, absolutely packed out. People getting frustrated with other people because they're not moving out of the way in the alleys. Trolleys getting in the way. But yeah, what do you expect? It's Christmas time. People can't handle the stress. Yeah, lady, that's it. Just cut the corner. I don't mind. What is it about this season that turns everyone into either idiots or crazed loons? Okay, so yeah, I just thought I'd tell you guys, show you guys where I live. This is in Brisbane. Doesn't look like much. There's the river just there. That's Brisbane City. But I live out in the suburbs. Just up here actually. I'm just trying to find it. Yeah, that's Strathpine. There's my school. And oops. There's a local shopping centre. And we've got the bay just over here on the right, with a couple of the islands. There's Morton Island and Stradbroke Island. So it's pretty cool. So it's what's that? Haha, look what I found. Ah, She's delivering parcels. Cool. Oh, where's he going? They must be heading down to probably Newcastle. Aha. Come on, Santa, show your face. There he is.
Yeah. So you gave me the first one.
Did you go to the front door?
Yep. Went to the front door. That took me to the driver's side window. That took me to the nuking food. That took me to the patio
Sliding
lines. And then that said, oh, where Harry used to live. And I instantly thought, Harry, friend Harry.
Yeah.
And I went, well, I have to drive to Deception Bay. Or,
it wasn't until after I wrote I should Harry P.
Yeah.
Did you find that?
No, where did I put them? Might be still downstairs. No, there you go.
It's just Tom and his treasure hunt this morning.
Driver's side window, where you nuke food, open patio blinds, where Harry used to live.
And that led to...
phone your girlfriend. And then I texted her and went, oh, what the hell?
No, I made it really difficult by moving it.
Yeah.
And what did you find at the end?
A sword.
Which one?
Gold one. This one's from Sucker Punch.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas for 2011. I hope you're having a great weekend. And I'd like to wish a Merry Christmas to all my YouTube subscribers all around the world, in the US, in Sweden, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, UK, here in Australia, New Zealand, and also I've got a couple in South Africa, I think, and Canada as well. And also I'd like to wish a Merry Christmas to all my friends on Facebook, and also a Merry Christmas to everyone in my groups on Facebook, and to all the members of the groups that I'm a member of on Facebook. So there's a lot of Facebook friends there and a lot of YouTube friends, and also to all of my friends here in Australia, and also to all my relatives in Wales and Scotland, and all my friends in the UK. And to my sister in the US, Merry Christmas, Paula. I hope you're feeling better soon. And to my dad here in Australia, Merry Christmas, Dad. I hope you're having a great day with Bert and the others. And I'm sorry if I've left anyone out, but yeah, there's a lot of people to remember. So, Merry Christmas for 2011. I hope you have a happy new year. Bye guys.